If you're experiencing login failures in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for logging into Minecraft. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Ensure that there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not activated. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can resolve many login issues. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. If you are using a web browser to log in, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing the login failure. Step 5. Check server status. Visit the official Minecraft server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the servers. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue in Minecraft. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.